The Smart Mirror InstaView Counter Depth Max French Door Refrigerator with 4 types of ice is perfect for all your storage and entertaining needs. This is the largest counter depth fridge at 26 cubic feet with the capacity of a standard depth fridge and a counter depth design for a seamless, built-in look. The French doors offer a stylish modern look with a fingerprint-proof finish. It features LG's InstaView and Door-in-Door, which makes it easy to see and access your items. This fridge also has a welcome light, which turns on when you are nearby. This LED light is perfect for night owls or early risers. This is the first fridge by LG to boast 4 different kinds of ice. You can get cubed and crushed ice from the indoor dispenser, and LG's craft ice and new mini cubed ice in bins inside the freezer. This model gives you the size, premium features, and enough ice options to satisfy all your storage and entertainment needs.